Hope you're having a good day today. My name is Steve Lawrence. I'm coming to you from Restoration Ministries, Bermuda. I'm bringing you the Word of Wednesday message. This morning I was kind of avoiding looking at the electoral process in one of our neighboring countries, and I did it because there's so much confusion and chaos and uncertainty surrounding what will ensue. As the clock ticks away, as the counters tick away, people have all kinds of statements being made. Some people are declaring which states they'll never visit again, and it's just a lack of what lays ahead. And I don't like feeling that way. In the last probably, 10, 15 years, I've literally never traveled without GPS because I hate getting lost. And I must admit to you, my memory is not what it used to be. So there are many things I don't remember as well as I should. So I've literally landed in Toronto, and places I've driven before, I need GPS. I'm in Florida, the same story. I'm in New York, same story. And what it does, it reminds me of how limited we are. And I look to James 1 verse 5, and it says if we lack wisdom, we should look to God, because He gives to those who need it and who ask for it without judgment. He's not trying to call you out for not knowing. He's not trying to let you feel bad. He's not trying to just mess with your vibe. He's literally just there saying, guess what? If you need help, if you need wisdom, if you need anything, just look to me, ask me for it. And if it meets the requirement for my mission, my vineyard, my work to be done, I will give it. So today, just remain encouraged no matter what you face. Remember, God is with you, and He will give you wisdom. If you need wisdom, ask God.